Welcome to CSS in 2 minutes. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. It is a styling language that is used to add visual elements and layout to web pages. CSS is used in conjunction with HTML, which provides the structure of a web page, while CSS provides the visual styling and layout. CSS allows you to control the color, font, size, spacing, and overall layout of web page elements. It can be used to make a website look more professional and polished, and it allows for a consistent visual design across all pages of a website. There are few different ways to apply CSS styles to HTML elements. Like the inline CSS, the internal CSS, and the external CSS. To add inline CSS, first we will add the style attribute to that very element. And then inside the quotations, we can add our stylings. To use internal CSS, we have to add style tags in that very HTML file, and then we have to use selectors. There are mainly 3 types of selectors: ID selector, class selector, and tag selector. We will simply use the tag selector here. After that we will add out stylings. To use external CSS, we have to create a new style sheet. Don't forget to add the .css extension at the end. After that we have to include the path of the style sheet in our HTML document, using the link tag. Now you can add the stylings in that style sheet. Congratulations, you just completed 2 minutes basic CSS crash course. If you have not watched the 2 minutes basic Python crash course, you can watch it now by clicking on the left video.